Alright, so y'all see the title and thumbnail of this video. Basically, we making 1K a day. I'm not gonna lie. It's only been 2 days we made 1K. But no, 3 days, 3 days. It's been 3 days we made 1K. We made like 1.5K these past 3 days. Let me show y'all the Shopify. I don't know how much I have today, so this is a live reaction. Ground shit. Damn, 0.08 conversion rate. Yeah, I'm fucked. This shit's only 400. This shit's probably still about to be a 1K. Maybe like 800. I don't know. Depending on how good our TikToks do today, it could be a 1K day. It's a I don't know. But yeah, this week, let me show y'all. Oh, I bet 6K. Now let me tell you where I fucked up. This should be 3 bands right here because I usually go for 50% margins. And let me tell you why you should never do this shit and never use this fucking service or fulfillment thing. I downloaded AutoDS, my nigga, and their shit literally fucked my account up and fucked my store up. They changed my price of my product. Who the fuck changes the price of your product, bro? That shit was so dumb. But yesterday was a 1.8K day. I'm pretty sure it was because of that. I'm pretty sure it was because they changed my price. That's why it was a 1.8K day. If it wasn't, it probably would have been like a 1.5 or like maybe like 1.2 or some shit. Damn, it still would have been more profit. Fuck, bro. But as y'all can see, keep going, man. 5-4. I wanted 5 sales in one day. Basically, I stopped dropshipping and then I started back again last month. I wanted 5 sales in a day. Got that. And now I'm hitting straight 1.8K days. I got 5 sales a day like 5 days ago or like 6 days ago. Also, let me show you guys my M3 MacBook with 1.2 core processor and 16 gigabyte 13-inch screen. I don't even know if that's right. I'm pretty sure it's not. But let me show you guys this. I'm probably gonna have to blur it out because I'm still running this product. So yeah, these are all videos. Most of this shit I wrote down is videos. Look, 1 page, 2 pages, 3 pages, 4 pages, 5 pages. All these, 6, 7, I think that's 7, 8, right? Oh no, 7, 8. This is when I first made my first 1K. Not 1K in a day, but first 1K in a week. And then here is where I'm at right now with 6K. It took all those 8 pages to make $1,000, but just this page to make 6K. So I guess it does compound everything you do. I seen that boy Pierre talking about that shit. Like everything you do compounds, so I guess he's right, my nigga. So yeah, I'm having a fulfillment issue too because I told y'all that AutoDS shit. I asked for a refund on all my orders I tried to fulfill because them niggas is fucking my whole website up, bro. If I ever do a AutoDS sponsorship or anything, just know I sold my soul. That's got to be like the worst company in the world. Like, who changes your price, bro? What the fuck? Why would you ever change my price? Why would you even need to? Why would you ever even need to do that, bro? Like. But yeah, hopefully we do make 1K today because that's the title of the thumbnail of this video. And nothing's guaranteed. We only have 400. Fuck. So I'm about to go shower, get some coffee, and then we're gonna be outside. This shit is so sexy. I miss having a Shopify screen, bro. Yo, I'm showing the flight socks. Chill. Oh my gosh, I need a 10K day though. I don't know if I showed y'all, but over there it says 10K, 5 sales in a day, and then 10K day. I'm plotting on that 10K day, bro. I want that shit so bad. I want that 10K day, bro. Oh God. My TikTok for my new product is at 40,000 followers, so we're cooking, my nigga. I've always been good at TikTok. I've just always been like not good, but I've always been okay at getting followers and stuff. And for TikTok. But Instagram, I'm dog shit. The Instagram's at like 900 or 800, and that's not even from like Instagram. It's all from my TikTok. It's from the TikTok followers going to Instagram. I thought that would help, but it really is not helping. I'm not gonna lie. It's just helping me get hella followers, but I'm not getting no motion off that shit, bro. Let me show. I can't even show y'all. I was about to show y'all the TikTok, but it's no point because I gotta blur out so much shit because y'all can see the recent videos and then the username and shit. So it's really no point. But yeah, that shit's at 4K. I mean 40K, and my conversion rate's at 0.08. So if I ever sell a course, don't buy that shit, man. I don't even know how to convert right. I got like 80,000 sessions and then a 0.08 conversion rate. That's wild as shit. That shit's insane. But yeah, I'm excited to make some videos though, man. Pick y'all back up when I'm making videos. Ooh. So we are officially out of the shower. We did get a sale while I was in the shower, so that's tough. Hold on, let me scroll down to it. Oh fuck, how am I supposed to do this? How am I supposed to show this shit? Fuck. I think that works. There y'all go. Y'all see? Damn, I don't think y'all saw it, but fuck it. I gotta go film right now. Just drink some coffee. But I gotta, oh shit, I gotta go look at. I gotta go look at my video ideas I got for the day. Cause like I told y'all, I'll put them all in the doc. That's a little tip for y'all if y'all are dropshippers. Put your video ideas in the doc. I used to just text myself the video ideas I had, but it would just get too overwhelming. So it's better to just have your shit in the doc, clean. You know what I'm saying? when you're done with a video idea. I usually highlight it, but I be forgetting. Like, I don't be thinking like, oh shit, I gotta highlight it. So yeah, a lot of them aren't highlighted, but Loki does make them look cleaner. So I'm just gonna do that. Like, see, I can't show y'all because it would leak the name, but I just highlighted 2 of them, and now like my spot feels way cleaner. Like it looks like I don't have so much stuff weighing down on me. Let me read my videos. I usually write down 3 to 4, because you're not gonna do all of them. Like, some of them might be like sped or some shit. So I usually just write down 4, but I only end up doing 2. You don't need 3 posts, 4 posts a day. Just do 2. Some people do 1. 1 could work. I do 2. Works for me. So I'm not gonna stop doing 1. I mean, not gonna stop doing 2. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. Let me see. Another thing is keep everything niche. You want to make sure you have proof of concept in your niche 50% of the time. Every time I've done that, I went viral. You gotta have like something. I can't say the niche my thing is in, but like let me try to give an example. Say like somebody's opening a PS5 or like an Xbox. You can use whatever caption they use if their video blew up. Or like you can use the framework of their video. Like say they did like an unboxing or some shit. It would be so much easier if I could just show y'all my product and show y'all what I'll do, but I'll just put that in a case study or something. You want to also keep the sound should be kind of niche too. Like it should have worked for a video in your niche. Don't just choose a random sound. Like, don't be fucking bumping the Kendrick Lamar Drake diss to some shit because you think it's trending or some shit. Don't do that. It has to be niche. Like, it has to have proof of concept in the niche. Unless you think like, oh, this sounds a banger, it'll definitely work for this product. Because I've done that and it has worked, but you're gonna have more but you should do both, but like start with doing the proof of concept in your niche, because you're gonna have way less trouble like finding a banger with that. It's gonna take a little time because for TikTok, for some reason, videos take a little longer to blow up. Like my most viral video now blew up like the next like day or some shit, but my last most viral video it took like a week or 2 for it to blow up, for it to hit 1.7 mil on TikTok. But it did get taken down by a Jewish ass company, which I will not name in this video, because I did not want to have 10 black guys coming into my house and like shooting me. But yeah, just copy the framework of that video, copy the hook. That's exactly how I have my video hit 11.7 million views, my nigga. It's at that right now. It might be at 12 million. But yeah, probably gonna get like all like the Twitter gurus gonna post it, free winning product. Get off my dick, my nigga. Let me eat, bro. Stop posting winning products on Twitter, bro. Gay ass. Ooh, I cooked them. Hold on. Fuck. Yeah, I know y'all saw it. Y'all definitely saw like at the last second. Y'all saw that 64.98. I cooked them with the skip the line, bro. When you cook somebody with the skip the line shipping, that's the best feeling, bro. Because that's how you know you just scammed. Nah, that's probably fucked. Let me chill. I'm about to fulfill his shit right now. I'm not fulfilling his shit. Like I told you, I did have a problem with AutoDS. They fucked my shit up. I'm waiting for them to refund me my money. I spent $1,500 on their website, and then I want them to cancel every order, but I don't know if they're gonna do it. I submitted the ticket. Hopefully they respond. But yeah, I'm probably gonna switch to Commercive or Zendrop. Okay. I see what I gotta do. All right. I'm about to go film. I'll take y'all with me though. Let me pass that. We're probably at 500 in sales. If we're not, we're at like high 4s. Right now, like 490 or 480. Nah. We're definitely at 500. Yeah, we're definitely at 500. Hopefully we get this 1K, because that's wild as hell if we don't get it. I'm not gonna lie. Also, my Instagram is starting to blow up. Let's go. I don't get how y'all some niggas do Instagram, bro. Because my most viral video has 14 million views on TikTok, but it has 3.8K on IG. Like, I don't get Instagram, bro. I don't know, bro. This shit does not work for me. I'm gonna just keep posting, though. I can't wait to do a case study on this product, though. On my life, that shit's about to be so helpful. Because, like, the way I blew this shit up, like, you can learn a lot from how I blew this shit up, I'm not gonna lie. I just wish my conversion rate was better. Because I tapped in with the dude that's running my product. Like, he had 30K followers while I had, like, 6K. So I hit him up. But it's like, yo, what's good? Then he answered. He didn't ego me. He told me he made 60K off the product with 30K followers. And I'm at 40K now. And I've only made 6K, bro. I made 7, but 6K this week. So that's pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. I did a little doc while I'm doing this product, though. Like, it's about everything that's happening with the product, where I'm at. Like, every day I just take a video of it. So I might put that in the case study and be like, damn, this is what happened. And then the next day, so then y'all can see, like, it really changes like this. Like, you go from 0 to like a band. You feel me? All right, I'm out now though. Car right now, but I just thought of another idea where y'all could use a proof of concept in your niche. Say like a CarPlay product. It's a little harder for this because it's harder to make it look organic and like look good. But there's like videos of people and me, because I spent $800 a month, or $800 car payment for CarPlay or some shit. Like, I'll put the video in there.
I'm also just a girl.
But yeah, it was just, they use like the "I'm just a girl" sound. Videos blew up. So what you could do is you could use your CarPlay product and like do like the me because I spend $0. I don't have a car payment and got CarPlay or some shit. I did that and got like 20K views on IG. The CarPlay product's pretty ass right now, but I wouldn't run that product. But if you want to run that product, I would do that, or just use the idea for another product you want to run. So yeah, just use that proof of concept in your niche. Like those videos blew the fuck up. That's a little another example of proof of concept in your niche. When I show y'all my product and show y'all my case study, it'll be way easier to understand and way easier to learn. So yeah, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. I can't wait to drop that shit. Also, you should like another reason why that the CarPlay one will be pretty hard to do is because you kind of want to use the same background. Like you want to copy the entire video, but you want to have the same background as them. So if they did their product like say on like a light brown table, you want to have a light brown table. So it's gonna be kind of hard for you to copy their car because my nigga, we don't have multiple cars. It's not gonna do it. That's why mine only got like 20K views because my car's ass. You feel me? I'm in a Toyota Corolla, my nigga. You don't get that M3 soon though. But yeah, once I show this case study, bro, y'all gonna be like, damn, that's actually that proof of concept in their niche. That shit's real shit. I usually go to this apartment like little building to film videos. My house is dog shit, I'm not gonna lie. Like my house, like everything is like dark colors, bro. Like my room is fucking red. How the fuck am I gonna film in my room? Like if I had a nice looking room, bro, I could literally just film there all day, every day. Like just filming in your room. Like bro, that shit sounds lit as fuck, bro. I wish I could do that. But I'm gonna just go over here. Nice white walls and stuff. You feel me? Nice aesthetic in there. But yeah, I'm not gonna film in there because I'm not trying to get kicked out because I actually like filming there. So I'm gonna pick the camera up when I'm doing some shit. To go inside. Fuck, bro. How do niggas show their sales without leaking their shit? Alright, we're just about to go inside, but we just got another sale. I don't think that's leaking anything. I think y'all can see, right? Yeah. Alright, so I just got home. I was supposed to go to the gym. I mean, I'm gonna work out right now at home, but I was supposed to go to the gym. I actually did go to the gym, but they didn't let me in because I had fucking Crocs on, bro. And guess what? It was a fat bitch. It's always the fat hose. But if y'all want to see my Shopify, right now it is 4:30. So if we're at I think we're at like 800. So 700 maybe, 750 maybe. I didn't look at it yet. I'm about to look right now. God damn, 600. And we're fucking up, y'all. Today might not be a 1K day, I'm not gonna lie. I do gotta fix my supplier. So maybe it's better that we're not getting as many sales. But yeah, hopefully this is a 1K day or we're fucked. This title is, I made 1K and I'm not changing it. But yeah, my conversion rate's so dog shit. Every product I've ever tested, every product I've ever ran that was a winner, never had a good conversion rate. Now I'm starting to think it's my fault. If I just had a good one, this would be at like, I ain't gonna lie, this would be at like 50 right now. Even my competitor's DMing me and he told me that I should be at 50 right now. He already made 30 off this product, so I'm fucking up in life right now, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, it's been a minute, I'm not gonna lie, it's like 12 o'clock. Yeah, I checked the Shopify before it hits 12 so it doesn't reset, you feel me? Let me show y'all what we're at.
Customer service. Get me straight to the bitch.
$780. I don't even want to lie in the title, bro. So, but yeah, dog shit conversion rate, bro. Let me click it. If I ever drop a course, do not buy that shit, bro. Look at this fucking conversion rate. You seriously about to buy from a nigga that gets a 0.11 conversion rate? This should be 7 buy-ins.